Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are doing one more interesting floral. Okay, for this we need a brush. Obviously we need a brush, mop brush. These two colors, choose one pink and one blue. You can choose like any pink, any blue, one green color. Like I'm using here olive green, you can use any green. Two green would be good. If you have one green, you can add a little blue to it and make it another green. Okay, so here we are testing some colors. Like we will be using these colors, the pink in my palette, two blues and green. We are getting two greens. Okay, I've just used one here, but we'll be using two. Okay, so we're starting with this, how to paint a little simple floral. So just three strokes you need to make a flower. Like one, the middle one is a little kind of a straight, and there are side two C's into it. Okay, going together to a one point. Those C and one single stroke, and it's going together. So अब थोड़ा close up ले लेते हैं. Okay, so I'm just using my brush movements, rough movements. Okay, not too precise or accurate. Random strokes, उनको make sure आप थोड़े थोड़े white spots उसमें छोड़ दें, so to look it more natural. Okay, so when you leave some white spots in a watercolor painting, it enhances it more beautifully. Okay, so one straight and two C's. Okay, now I'm adding a little purple to it to add a little contrast to it, and just to give it more, give some parts a little more highlight. Okay, so just simple adding it at some points. Now this is, I'm taking a brown and I just highlighted the middle part of it. Okay, now I'm making another flower downwards. Okay, so like इसकी C petals are going down. Okay, तो C हमारा अब थोड़ा उल्टा हो गया है downwards, and using the same, एक middle straight leaf and two side C leaves. Okay, I love to smudge the edges because I don't like rough edges, so I'm just smudging the edges of the leaf. You can keep it as well, like if you want to. So like hard edges are also good if you want, if you like that way. I don't like it that much. Just combining all the things together, painting a leaf, adding a little darker color to it also, so to give it a little contrast and a little, make it more interesting. So again I'm making it this more a little sidewards, it's going to the west side. Adding two colors, it gives it more natural, and it's also give a beautiful blend of colors. So just doing that, smudging the edges because I don't like harsh one. You can keep it that way also, and I'm just combining everything together to the stem. One more leaf to balance it out, just darkening a little bit to just see, like, okay, if I need to add one thing here, one thing there, just to look it more pleasing to it. And adding 2-3 strokes here and there. And now the favorite step of every painting, splatter. Using all the colors that I have used, I use it for a splattering also, to just give it more natural look. It gives a more natural and interest in the painting. So this is it, simple floral under 3 minutes. I guess we get it under 3 minutes. Yes, you can paint it too. So do try it, and let me know in the comment section about this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and we'll be back with another video. Bye.